So, successive differentiation. So, today's question is find nth differentiation of y equal to log x square plus a square and prove that by n equal to 2 minus 1 power n minus 1 into n minus 1 factorial into a power minus n sin power n theta cos n theta where theta equal to tan inverse of a upon x. So, solution. We have y equal to log x square plus a square. Suppose that this is equation number 1. On differentiating equation 1 with respect to x, so we get dy upon dx equal to y1 equal to 1 upon x square plus a square into 2x plus 0, or we can write 2x upon x square plus a square, or by 1 equal to 2x upon x square plus a square, or 2x upon x square minus I square a square, or 2x upon x minus ia into x plus ia. So, or finally by 1 equal to 2x upon x minus ia into x plus I, इक्वेशन नंबर 2. सो इक्वेशन 2 को हम पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन से ब्रेक करेंगे और उसके बाद हम nth डिफरेंशिएशन फाइंड कर सकते हैं. सो वी हैव by partial fraction method 2x upon x minus ia into x plus ia is equal to a upon x minus ia plus p upon x plus I, or taking LCM, so 2x upon x minus ia into x plus ia is equal to LCM is x minus ia into x plus ia and a into x plus ia plus b into x minus ia. So we have 2x is equal to a x plus ia plus b x minus ia. So equation number 3. So put x equal to ia in equation 3, so we get 2ia is equal to a into 2ia plus b into 0. Finally, a equal to 1. Similarly, again put x equal to minus ia in equation 3. So we have minus 2ia equal to a into 0 plus b into minus 2ia. So b equal to 1 मिलता है. सो हमारा ये जो y1 था वो ब्रेक होकर आ गया 1/x माइनस आई ए प्लस 1/x प्लस आई ए. So finally y1 equal to 1/x plus ia plus 1/x minus ia मिला. इसको हम लिखेंगे इक्वेशन नंबर 4. So on differentiating n minus 1th times of equation 4 by using the following formula. D power n upon dx power n of 1 upon ax plus b is equal to minus 1 power n factorial n a power n upon ax plus b power n plus 1. So by using this formula, so equation 4 becomes equation 4 becomes by n equal to minus 1 power n minus 1 factorial n minus 1 and 1 power n upon x plus ia power n plus minus 1 power n minus 1 n minus 1 factorial 1 power n upon x minus ia power n. Taking common minus 1 power n minus 1 and n minus 1 factorial, and in the bracket we can write x plus ia power minus n plus x minus ia power minus n by n equal to minus 1 power n minus 1 n minus 1 factorial in the bracket x plus ia power minus n plus x minus ia power minus n. But we have x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta and taking y equal to a. So x square plus a square equal to r square and theta equal to tan inverse of a upon x. So by using these relations, above equation becomes my n equal to minus 1 power n minus 1 n minus 1 factorial and r cos theta plus I r sin theta power minus n plus r cos theta minus I r sin theta power minus n, or taking r common, so minus 1 power n minus 1, n minus 1 factorial, r power minus n, remain value is cos theta plus I sin theta power minus n plus cos theta minus I sin theta power minus n. So by using De Moivre's theorem DMT, we have cos theta plus I sin theta power n equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So n equal to minus 1 power n minus 1, n minus 1 factorial, r power minus n, and cos minus n theta plus I sin minus n theta plus cos minus n theta minus I sin minus n theta, or by n equal to minus 1 power n minus 1, n minus 1 factorial, r power minus n, and cos minus theta equal to cos theta, so we can write cos n theta, and sin minus theta equal to minus sin theta, so this is equal to minus I sin n theta plus cos n theta and sin minus theta equal to minus minus plus I sin n theta. So sin and sin cancel, remain value is cos, so by n equal to minus 1 power n minus 1, n minus 1 factorial, r power minus n, and 2 cos n theta. But a equal to r sin theta, so यहाँ से we can write r equal to a upon sin theta. So by using this relation yn equal to minus 1 power n minus 1, n minus 1 factorial, a upon sin theta power minus n, and 2 cos n theta, or by n equal to minus 1 power n minus 1, n minus 1 factorial, 2 a power minus n sin n sin power n theta into cos n theta is the answer.